Hey guys, welcome to the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be going over one of Helium10's software's tools, Cerebro. Cerebro is a very powerful tool that's going to pull keyword data from your competitors, and you're going to implement that data into your listing and also to your PPC campaigns and some other things. So let's go ahead and dive into it real quick. So I'm going to start the beginning of this tutorial at the dashboard, as you can see, and I'm going to show you where you're going to click on the Cerebro icon. That's going to pull up the search. So the first thing you're going to see is product ASIN. An ASIN is like an identification number for a product. So we're going to go over to the Amazon page and we're going to type in our main keyword, magnetic balls. So when we type this in, we're going to scroll down to one of our best competitors. So our best competitor in this case is going to be Specs. We're going to grab this ASIN right here, and like I always do, I've already kind of done the search, so I already know how it plays out, but I'm going to run through it. And I put the ASIN right here. I just grabbed one ASIN, and then to get the rest of these ASINs, all the competitors, because we're going to want all this data just so we can have the most information we could possibly have. I'm going to hit Get Competitors. So when I pull up Get Competitors, it's going to pull all the people on that Amazon page, and you're going to choose the ones that are most likely going to help you. So I chose all Specs right here, just because they didn't have any of the competitors. Like I've said before, this market's changed since the last time I've seen it. So now that we have all those competitor ASINs in there, we're going to hit Get Keywords. And this is what usually shows up before you filter them. So right now you have filtered keyword total of 7,302. Guys, that's so much data there. We can bring that to a smaller number and use the better keywords here. And these search filters will pull the better keywords from your competitors. So let's scroll back up here real quick. And I hit advanced filters, and then this all came down. And I like choosing this. I like doing competitor rank average 1 through 25. Guys, if they're ranking around 1 through 25, that means they're pulling in sales from those keywords, and those are the keywords I want. And I also want to probably bring it down even more from 7,000. So I'm also going to want 4 of those competitors from the ASINs up top to be ranking for those keywords as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go down and hit apply real quick. So this should bring my number down significantly from 7,000. As you can see, it's 264. So now we only have 264 words to go through. That's not bad. I usually scroll through and exit out the ones that, aren't going to apply to me. So my product is the magnetic balls and the magnetic cubes bundle. And they're going to be the color silver, and they're going to be 5 millimeter. So I'm going to be one to take out stuff like, I'm not selling 1,000 pieces, so that's going to be out. I want to take out colors, anything like that. I want to take out specs because it's a brand. Anything that doesn't show buyer's intent. And what I mean by buyer's intent is like someone saying like silver 5 millimeter balls, same color, same size. Just think buyer's intent while you're sorting through these keywords, because you want to pick the keywords that are going to get your product sold. So as you can see here, I'm going to go through all 6 pages and bring it down even farther. And once I get done with that, I should be around 100. I think I got it down to around 150. And you're going to come up here and you're going to want to export. So you're going to want to export as CSV, because you're going to want to put this into a Google Sheet document, which I already have pulled up to the right. And you're going to have the download down here. So you're going to go over to your Google Sheet. Okay. And then let's get this out of the way. And then you're going to go to File, Import. And then you're going to go all the way to the right over here, and you're just going to drag that file. You're just going to click, hold it down, and drag it right into there. And then that's how you're going to get the information from the Helium10 software into a nice, clean Google Sheet. From there, let's see what I got it down to. With searching through all the keywords and eliminating by buyer's intent, I think I got it down to 144, so significantly lower. So we'll be using these keywords to build our listing, to build our search terms, and also to build our title. All right, guys, that's going to sum up the Cerebro tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll get right back to you guys. And any information you guys need is in the description below. You guys have a great day and be ready for the video tomorrow. Take care.